Miss Aaliyah Marshall with us today. And Aaliyah, if you could just verify with me how you got in contact with our information. Was it on TikTok, social
It
media?
was on TikTok. Yeah.
Oh, okay, great. So basically, she is interested in knowing about our training course, which is consists of 6 sessions, all accessible online. You don't need any experience to learn. All right, I just gonna just mute on your side for a bit, right?
Okay.
I hear some background noise. Yeah, so basically, guys, it's 6 sessions we're looking at. Firstly, on day one, we're gonna introduce the financial markets to you. My version, I break down all the technical terms into the simplest way in understanding, and it's up to about an hour long. So the method of approach that we use currently is working with um, student time, and it's a more convenient approach because Miss Aaliyah, let's say like she's working or going to school and she is available at 7:30 p.m. or 9 p.m., we could schedule the training for that time. Now, it's the same thing I teach on my live. It's the same thing I teach on the recordings as well. Same structure, same module laid out. All right. So that's how we're going to do it. We're going to schedule a date and a time. We're going to start with the day one. It's 6 sessions in total. Once you finish, the good thing about the recordings is that while you're viewing the recording, you could pause it and take down your notes. Why this is important is because it's 6 years of knowledge coming to you in 1 hour. So it's a lot of information is going to be mentioned on that particular session about trading. And I have a lot of technical terms. I break it down into the simplest way possible. So that's the first session. The second session, we could schedule that on day two. When you finish the first session, you're gonna give me like a short summary, what you learn, and then I'm gonna give you an assignment. By doing this method of approach as well, we are ensuring that people are learning. Because many times people join Forex courses and it's like watching a video, nobody to talk to ask questions. We try to make the difference, by this method of approach. Right? So at the end of the session, you're going to give me a short summary. You're going to do an assignment based on the session. And once you've completed, we're going to schedule the day two training, right? Something you have to remember too is that once we start today or tomorrow, it's going to be run for 6 days straight, right? So we want to make sure you complete the course at the end of the day. So it's 6 training sessions, no experience required. You just need a phone to accept the recording approach and a notepad and a pen to take down the information. All right, so that's the training side of things. So let me know. Gonna unmute you now if you have any question pertaining that.
No, I don't have any questions, but what would the experience and everything?
All right, no problem. So we have a lot of student reviews. If you would like to get a few review, no problem. I could always send it to you. I will tell you about the payment method. It's a one-time payment of 500 TT to cover the entire training. All right.
Is it online or
Yes, it would be
online
online.
market? And if you don't have online banking,
Oh, we could discuss that part on the WhatsApp, right?
okay,
Regarding the payment. All right, so
okay.
I know you was asking about the copy and paste program. I'm gonna quickly explain that to you. Basically, it's me doing the work, I should say, it's me doing the work trading. We're gonna get some high probability setups, send it to our private channel. Now, this is for the more experienced traders out there who already know about currency pairs, setting up their broker, funding a live account. You're working with order types and rare occasions, knowing about market executions, lot sizes, stop loss, take profit. So you see why you had to do the course first. And then you can think about the copy and paste program, right? So this service is for more experienced traders who do have the time to trade, but would like to get some high probability ideas. We send the trade ideas to our private channel. You take it to your broker, you copy it, the information, stop loss, take profit, and you leave it and wait on our updates. That's dealing with the Forex copy and paste service. This is a subscription based service where it's costing 800 TT for 1 month. All right. So this is different and separate from the Forex training. The Forex training currently is a one-time payment of 500 TT. All right. Let me know if you have any question regarding the copy and paste program.
Okay, so after I do the introduction, then I will be able to
Right.
talk through this other one, right?
Yeah, well, the option will be there. You could choose to do it or you could choose to trade on your own. Because after you
Okay,
finish the course, you'll be able to place your own trades independently.
okay,
All right, so it would be an option for you afterwards the course.
okay. While I was explaining the copy and paste, I talked about one question, right? I don't know
Yeah,
if you want to talk about it now or on WhatsApp, you understand? But after when we do the math and then go into the real account, right? How
right.
much do you need to start the real account?
Okay, good. Good question, right? Basically the broker, if you could do 100 USDT, that's roughly about 870 TT. Um, Within the course, I will explain to you and stuff how you get the crypto now to the broker and stuff, right? To trade. It will be optional to you again, if you want to do $100 towards the copy and paste program, or if you want to try and trade on your own with $100 USDT with the brokerage account. The option will still be there for you. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Nice. So thirdly, with the final service I have offering is this one will be more for the advanced traders or persons who finish the course and they require a one-on-one coaching session. This is a Forex consultation service where I give advice and also help you create a trading plan, a journal, to track your progress, and you get some hands-on experience dealing with the charts. So this is more a one-on-one coaching session. So this runs for 30 to 40 minutes for 200 TT currently, right? And this is my third and final service being offered when it comes to the Forex and dealing with the financial markets. Let me know if you have any questions. I think I should cover it up, the information.
So the last one is you trade with us personally?
What are you referring to the consultation? I
Yeah.
will be showing you like the real charts, real world scenarios, and we would look at some pairs, we'll look at some confirmations in either buying or selling, and all this you would be putting into your trading plan as well and journal, right? I think we're
Oh,
referring to when you talk about live trading. You could be referring to the copy and paste program. Because that's why I send the trading ideas to a channel. All right. So,
okay.
yeah, no problem, Aaliyah. Well, I know you have to go back to work and stuff. I appreciate you doing this session with me, and you could always feel free to reach out to me directly on WhatsApp to talk further about the payments and stuff, right?
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Bye.
We'll keep in touch.